doing? I refuse. I think the pizza's here. I'm hungry.
Okay. I went to pizza. Anyways, some pizza.
My stomach just growled.
I have my stomach. Don't eat me though. It's the inside of a cup, people. No, it's the inside of her heart.
Want to see the other one?
It's yellow.
No, it's not.
It's green.
Is it really green?
Well, kind of. You can't really. The yellow one was yellower. Well, you're. Well, it's kind of hold up most.
I have all the one.
I'm having this for you.
Hello? Please? No? I don't know. Let's ask Taylor.
You want to go get some pizza, Taylor? Yes, I do.
What? P-I-Z-Z-A. Get a pizza every day. Oh, maybe it don't go like that.
It goes in the hole. The stick goes in the hole.
Oitos.
Two
Oitos.
up there.
2 cups.
Who's inside of the cup?
Oitos in a cup.
It's there.
I'm bad at this game. I lose. You had fuzz on your forehead.
Oh.
You had fuzz on your forehead.
Thanks for getting it off.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
Do you have a twitch in your stomach or something?
A what?
I don't know. I think your dog doesn't like me.
I don't know.
What do you know? Taylor, say something.
Hi.
I can actually hear you.
Okay.
Taylor,
Hmm?
are you there?
Yes.
Taylor?
Yes?
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Wait, I know the answer to this question. It's purple.
That's a good thing to feel, I guess. Purple.
What's feel?
Touch?
That's promiscuous. Taylor?
Yeah.
Are you there?
Uh-huh.
Stop lying to me!
Oh, she hung up on me.
Shut up. You were right
Pizza.
there. I heard you all the time.
Ow!
I really don't think Perry likes me.
She hit my leg. She's licking my cup.
Licking your cup. Should I be licking your cup?
No. You should not.
Look how hungry I am. I could eat this. Move! Somebody
coming out of Narnia! It's Mr. Thomas! Oh, Mr. Thomas is in there somewhere, people. Me and Thomas need some little privacy. Not that we're doing anything raunchy, because we're not. Let's talk to Mr. Thomas and have a cup of tea with him while he tells me that he's kidnapping me. Hello. I wish this wardrobe was quieter. He's talking at the wardrobe. They went away. It must be the professor. His name's Taylor. Look, it's the tree in Narnia. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes, very.
Who's talking to me?
Not Mr. Thomas.
Yeah, Mr. Thomas. How are you?
God.
That wasn't Mr. Thomas.
Yes, it was.
Mr. Thomas?
Yes.
That's not you, Mr. Thomas. Mr. Thomas, help me!
And she's dead. Let's go eat.
That was so much fun.